In this video, you will learn how to edit or color grade your photos in Adobe Photoshop like a pro. As a beginner, Photoshop may seem very complicated, but in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful and easy tool to color grade your photos in Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop, bring your photo into Photoshop. At the bottom right corner, click on Adjustment Layer, then Color Lookup. At the newly opened Color Lookup table, you can select from a variety of pre-made presets. Scroll through all of them, choose whatever you like. For example, for this photo, this crisp warm. Once you selected your favorite, you can change the intensity of the preset from opacity section. For example, for this photo, about around 46, 47, looks good. Here is our photo before applying the preset, and here is after applying the preset. So we'll open a new photo. For this photo, again, go to Adjustment Layer, Color Lookup Tables, select your favorite. You can choose from any one of these three options. We will go for the second one. Again, there is lots of options. Scroll through all of them and choose any one you like. For this photo, this green-red preset looks good. For this photo, the preset is too intense. We change the opacity of the preset around 59%. Looks good. Yes. In the same way, you can apply this preset to all of your photos. Here is the before and after of the photos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.